One of my favorite features of our tour home is the redwood siding on the outside. Bring Recycling contacted us one evening, and they had been given the old benches from Cuthbert Amphitheater that had been upgraded, and the wood from that they wanted to know if anybody was interested in reusing. We said yes in a minute. We took the bench wood and remilled it and resealed it, and as you can see, it's just beautiful. Can't you almost hear Pink Martini and the conga line going through our courtyard in our house? In addition to the extra insulation in our house, we have one of the most efficient heat pumps available. It's about twice as efficient as previous heat pumps have been. We've located it completely within the heated space as well as the ductwork, and that adds to the efficiency and makes it operate even better. We installed a 24-inch culvert along the side of our house to collect rainwater. The rainwater coming onto the roof comes down these chains and into this cistern, and it collects about 1,000 gallons of water. That's stored to be used in the rain pond that we have as a water feature in our front courtyard, as well as to water the plants during the times when they need it. All of the plants in our house are designed to be drought resistant and not require additional irrigation. That means after the first year of getting their roots established, they should grow well with just natural rainwater. We have the cistern that collects the water pond, and then when that water pond overflows out into our dry riverbed, that will also provide water for our plants. The paint in our house is zero VOC. What that means is it has no toxic outgassing when you put it on the walls. When you go into a room that's been freshly painted and you have that new paint smell, that's not good for you. So we painted this house with paint that has none of that. With many of the materials we used in our house, we tried to buy local. What that means is we tried to buy lumber that was locally harvested, wood in the cabinets, countertops, various materials within the house. Buying local helps save the shipping costs and that carbon footprint. You can buy a sustainable material, but if you ship it from China, that really doesn't accomplish much. A good share of the construction waste on our project was diverted from landfills. We were able to recycle about 65% of the waste coming off of the project as we constructed the house. Also, we were very careful in our material lists and our cut lists and the design of the house to minimize the waste in the first place. Awareness and education. We wanted to make these videos to make you aware of some of the measures that we've been doing in our house and educate you on the ways those can be implemented. Some don't cost hardly any money. It just takes a little bit of thought and a little bit of foresight. And that's really what we wanted to do, is just to convey to you that some of these things can make your building or your home much more sustainable with very little effort. Our home is a demonstration home. What that means is we've pulled out all the stops on sustainability, solar, and various aspects to show what can be done. You may be at a point where you're not able to do all of the measures we're doing, but we would encourage you to do some of them. Take one step at a time towards sustainability. Well, we hope you've enjoyed your video tour of our home, theSAGE. We'd like to invite you to the Home Builders Tour, which starts today, July 25th, and goes through August 2nd. We hope to see you visit our home. See you there.